Hello guys. Hello guys. What I'm going to show you today is how you can fix your lag, your FPS drop, and your stuttering inside of Arma 3. Now, this is a game that unfortunately doesn't run very smoothly, even in 2025 with all the new hardware that we have. And it's an old game, but it still needs a lot of hardware to run smoothly. Okay, so this is what we're going to try to fix today. We're going to give you some options so you can have better experience and more FPS. So this is the launcher inside of Arma 3. Basically, this is what's gonna appear once you launch Arma 3, right? Now we have to go to parameters in here, and we need to find all parameters in here and go to advanced. Right now, what we want to do is we want to enable CPU count, and we want to either go to 7 or 4, depending on what you have. In my case, what I have is an 8 CPU core thread. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this to 7, okay, which is one less than what I actually have. I'm also going to enable the extra threads, and I'm going to enable this, and this here. And I'm also going to enable the hyper-threading, which is going to help with the CPU count. Now, you want to deactivate this memory allocator. You want to really deactivate this because this can really lag your system, right? And you also might want to add a bit of memory limit in case that you're short on VRAM, which in my case, I'm really not, so I'm just not gonna enable this, okay? So this is pretty much what you can do from here, besides all of the obvious things like, setting your graphic options to low and all that, which you already know. What you can also try to do is disable the antivirus, right, from Windows by disabling Windows Defender, right? And that's going to help a little bit as well, okay? Like disabling real-time protection. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.